I will explain real homeless life. A cold morning. Michael was a homeless man. He was 35 years old. He had no house and no family nearby. Every night he slept on a wooden bench in a city park. Michael slowly stood up. His back hurt because the branch was hurt. He folded his blanket and put it inside his old backpack. The backpack was torn, but it was the only thing he owned. He walked to a public restroom to wash his face. The water was very cold. He looked at himself in the mirror. His beard was long and his eyes looked tired. I don't recognize myself anymore, he whispered. After washing his face, Michael walked through the streets. People were going to work. Some were drinking coffee. Others were talking on their phones. His stomach was empty because he had not eaten since yesterday afternoon. He hoped to find some food before noon. Now I will explain real homeless life. A kind stranger, Michael walked slowly through the busy streets. His legs felt weak because he had not eaten for a long time. The smell of fresh bread came from a nearby bakery. His stomach growled loudly. He looked at the bakery window. Inside, people were smiling and enjoying warm bread and hot coffee. Michael quietly sighed. I wish I had enough money for just one piece of bread, he said. He sat down on a bench near the bakery. He lowered his head and closed his eyes for a moment. A few minutes later, a young woman walked out of the bakery. Her name was Emma. She was carrying a paper bag and a cup of coffee. She noticed Michael sitting alone. Instead of walking away, she stopped it. "Good morning," Emma said with a warm smile. Michael looked up. "Good morning." She replied softly. "Have you eaten today?" Emma asked kindly. Michael shook his head. "No, I haven't." Emma smiled gently. "Please take this." She gave him the paper bag. Michael opened it slowly. Inside there was fresh bread, a sandwich, an apple, and a bottle of water. His eyes filled with tears. "Thank you so much," Michael said. "You are welcome," Emma replied. "Everyone deserved kindness." Michael smiled for the first time in many days. As Emma walked away, Michael looked at the food. He whispered, "Maybe today really is a better day." He thanked God quietly before eating. Every bit reminded him that hope could come from unexpected people.